If you give me 35 seconds,
Nope.
I'm gonna share with you how to choose the perfect hair product for your hair.
Hensem, yeah?
So you're on Shopee, right? And you're trying to decide which hair product is the one for you. So now you have your hair wax, your hair pomade, your hair clays, gels, pastes, creams. But first, you need to understand the hair type and the hair length that you have, as well as the hair that you are going for. It's all about what you want and what your hair can do for you.
These are pomades. Pomades usually give you the best hold. But then again, most of the time they do not harden up. They stay stylable throughout the day. Now we also have our gel pomades. These will harden up. They give you a really strong hold, and they also are a very high shine. Another product that's high shine would be your oil-based pomades. Now the problem with oil-based pomades is that yes, they give you the shine, yes, they give you the strength and the hold throughout the day, but they can also give you acne. You know, if you live in a country like I do in Singapore, they will give you some sort of acne issue if your skin is sensitive. So a good alternative would be something in between, which is usually water-based cream pomades like these ones. They're usually very smooth, they give you the hold, they're somewhat matte, and also washes out really well, which is also something that oil-based cannot do. Now these are waxes. Now for me at least, wax is a very broad term that I use for wax, cream, paste, or anything that's somewhat creamy. In that sense, the main ingredient for wax is wax, which is most of the time they are made of either beeswax or carnauba wax, one of the two. But either way, they are not as strong as pomades, but they also give you the restyling ability that pomades give you. Now the problem with waxes are that if you use them wrongly, or if you use too much at the start, you will have problems washing it and also styling to begin with. Then again, we do have products like this one and this one here, which is really good. No matter how much, well, don't go too crazy. No matter how much you use in your hair, it's still easy to style and also even easier to wash out. Then again, almost all waxes are really good to style with and to wash out. It only depends on how much you use at the start. Now these are clays. All clay products contain one of two types of clay. It's either kaolin or bentonite. Either way, the whole purpose of clay in hair products is to absorb the excess oil in your hair, giving you the texture you want in your hair. So just like pomades, we have oil-based and also water-based clays. The good thing about oil-based clays is that you get a matte look that stays fresh throughout the day because it doesn't wash up with sweat. So there are some really strong clays out there, like this one here. But then again, when you choose a clay, you're not going for that vertical hair. You're trying to go for the more natural and matted look.
First, you want to check your hair type. If you want specific advice on your hair, just comment down below and I'll answer you personally, no charge. Now, you have thick, coarse hair, just like me. The first step is to wash and condition every single day. I live in a hot country and you need to wash your hair. So no matter how long or thick your hair is gross hair and it will smell. Plus, if you do wash it and condition every single day, it's smooth and it's way easier to style. If you want big hair or anything that has an element of poofiness, you need something like clay. It works best for the short to medium hair because the clay in the product will absorb the oil, keeping your hair textured and light. Your hair will look matte, set and poofy. Now if you want texture without the poof or puff, a wax might be something you could go for. You're not trying to look too loud, you want to be clean, subtle, but kept. Good thing is you can keep styling throughout the day because wax will never stiffen up or harden. Now if you want a tighter, sleeker look where the hair is tight and close to the head, you should go with a stronger hold like a water-based pomade or a gel pomade. Now this one will dry super hard, but try to stay away from those oil-based ones, especially in Singapore. Plus, you might also get pimples along your hairline or where your hair touches your face. Now these are super strong and can pull down the stiffest of hairs. If cannot means your hair most likely too short lah. The golden rule is that whichever product you are working with, use small amounts. If you rush, confirm your hairstyle will cock up. If you want less hold, use less. If you want more, take a small scoop, put it in your hair, scoop it again, put it in, because you want the product to be evenly distributed in your hair.
Yeah. Ta-da! Now you know. Try experimenting, combine your products. I mean, that's why some girls have so much makeup. It's just fun to mix and match. Okay, if that helped, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us your hair type and some of the problems you get when trying to pick up a hair product.
Once again, I'm Suryan. You stay handsome, and I'll see you in the next video.